Hey everybody, it's Cheryl W. This is a video of what's in my kitchen. Well, here's my General Electric stove. It's got 5 burners. It's got the digital controls on it. And quite honestly, I have always wanted a stove like this, and I love it. It's got 5 burners. You have to excuse the way it looks right now because it's not cleaned off. And that's the inside of it, very nice. And that's the whole stove. But anyway, I love it. That's one of my daughters. Say hello. Hi. Stainless steel stove. And then here's my matching refrigerator. It's a Frigidaire brand, made by the same company. It's stainless steel as well, and I love it. And then these are 2 of my bread machines. This is my Zojirushi, and to me it is the best bread machine in the world. I've never had a bread machine make bread the way this one does. This one is my Breadman bread machine, and I like it as well. Let's see, there's my microwave, my stand mixer, my Vitamix, my can opener, the other piece to my Vitamix right there. It's on the table because I'm getting ready to use it. And my Keurig. Love my Keurig. And my built-in dishwasher, my kitchen block, spice racks. Just a quick video about what's in my kitchen. Anyway, that's it for now. You have to excuse my kitchen. It is a little messed up, but I have 11 children, so therefore my house is never going to be spotless. Alright, if you like this video, please rate and subscribe and comment.